Hello guys, today we will learn how to walk upstairs. As you can see, me and my friend are walking up the stairs. They are very long. Wow, you can see how we are looking. You like it, don't you? You fucker. Okay, anyway. These are quite long. We have to walk till the 6th floor. So I guess you can enjoy us walking till then. Or not. You can watch this.
People fighting for the
Yes, people fighting for this wages. You can see no smoking, but you can see the smoke. See on that man's hand. Everyone here smoking. Only Suttabas.
For the Shri Group,
Yes.
please call on this number.
Yes, please call on this number. This is
What the
sponsored by
45
us.
puri bhaji.
Yes, only 45 rupees.
Yes.
Chapati bhaji. Yes, guys. Very good offer. Airtel office, as you can see. Yes, I like this much. This Sally. I like this Sally. Sailors and Sally. Do not spit, guys. As you can see, do not spit. Two. Hello, guys, but we can't record here. There are some privacy concerns. There are some very sensitive people around here.
Like this.
Yes, like this. As my friend clearly pointed out, see, these walls are all broken, these floors are all broken, and if you jump from here, you won't die because of this. So I guess that's good. And here you can see everyone is wearing the handkerchiefs and all because of the smoke. Everyone here writes no smoking, but they always smoke. So they have asthma and become like PAK. And they still get married, but we don't get bitches. Srinath Cable Service Shop. I'm getting really tired. Wow, see, want to drink tea, guys? Free tea. And as you can see, Lime Ring Technologies Private Limited. No mask, no entry. Where is it? Wait, you can't see that. Yes, no mask, no entry. And this is the 6th floor, if you don't know. We just climbed up 6 floors. Okay then, guys, that's it. Please like, share and subscribe for these people